हाँ, सबसे पहला सवाल तो मुझे लगता है कि प्रोड्यूसर मैडम से ही पूछना बनता है। मैडम, अभी मेरी एक कलीग ने भी एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है। बाहुबली जो फिल्म है हमारी कहीं ना कहीं इंडियन सिनेमा की एक वन ऑफ द लैंडमार्क मूवी बन चुकी है। साउथ की जब भी फिल्में आती हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं बॉलीवुड वाले डर जा रहे हैं, ये कह सकता हूं मैं। ये जो आपकी फिल्म है, इसकी जो जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई किस तरह से हुई? क्या आपने पहले से ये तय करके रखा था बड़ी फिल्म बनानी है?
First of all, we are not from the film industry. This is our first film, Nick Studios का। पहले हम सॉफ्टवेयर बिजनेस कर रहे थे, उसके बाद बिजनेस डाइवर्सिफाई करना चाहते थे और ये फिल्म की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली हमको। एंड जब अभिषेक नामा सर से मिले थे, उनका प्री प्रोडक्शन वर्क इतना स्ट्रांग था, उनका विजन पूरा समझ में आ गया हमको। तो उसके हिसाब से हमको लगा ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ा हिट बन जाएगा। एंड आई एम ऑल्सो ए बिग डिवोटी ऑफ शिव जी, सो आई लाइक द सब्जेक्ट एंड वी वांटेड टू डू इट मोर। किशोर, you want to expand more on this?
Yeah, so again, I'll talk in English. Yeah, so when we started, I think the budget was not this high. I mean, so we started it. The output started coming well. We started seeing very good reception from the people who have seen the rush. People have visited the sets. The artists were also doing very well. Everybody was giving in their day in day out only for the movie. So if you talk about Abhishek, Virat, so most of the, I mean, the good amount of team is also a first timers and they're giving their heart and soul for the project. So seeing that dedication, I think you get that kind of confidence that this project will be a huge success. So that is the gut feel that we have gotten when we started early. And as we started seeing the output, as we started getting more and more confidence, we started investing. And while we are doing that investment, we are also cognizant of what is the risk that we're taking, how to de-risk it, and will it be a profitable venture or not. So all these have been considered and then only we have invested. So you can call it a calculated risk.
आपने कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क की बात की है, इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात की है। अगर मैं पूछना चाहूँ, क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है इस फिल्म के लेकर और क्या प्लानिंग है रिटर्न्स को लेकर? कहाँ वर्ल्ड वाइड किस तरह से प्लानिंग है, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म बाहुबली के रिकॉर्ड सारे तोड़ पाएगी? क्योंकि विजुअली तो बहुत इफेक्टिव लग रही है फिल्म।
So the investment is at around 110 crores plus has been the investment. As far as will it cross Bahubali or not, I think you guys, your response has actually been the proof of whether it will cross Bahubali or not. So I'll leave it at that. So let's wait for July 3rd and then see how it goes.
So my friends keep telling me, पूरा Instagram पूरा नागाबंधम ही चल रहा है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? So that itself is the, yeah, that shows the movie is going to be a big blockbuster.
I think we have somewhere created that interest in the audience, that this is a film to look out for. The film has stands out, and then there is great content that that will surprise you. So I think those three things are actually enough to pull the audience into the theaters. And then let's see how it goes.
And talking about the business, we've partnered with some of the greatest, like we have Z Studios on board for distributing in North and overseas. I think that gives us a strong strength.
We have closed 80% of the business, so I think we're out of risk in that sense.
Sir, my question is to Virat, sir. Yeah.
Hi, sir.
First of all, congratulations to you. All the best for this film.
Thank you so much, sir.
You got a very good opportunity to act in this big film. It will be a pan-India film. So what is your feeling with this particular? You joined with this film. Actually, you can say it's a debut to this thing. So what is your feelings? Just express your feelings.
मैं एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, दिस इज़ द लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी। सो ये मूवी के लिए पूरा मेरा जान लगा के काम किया, क्योंकि आपका दिल में छोटी से जगह चाहिए। सो या, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट, सर आपने नहीं सुन रहे तो सॉरी। Yeah.
Hello. My next.
Sorry, sir.
Can
sorry.
I, sir? Sir, आपका mic. Sir, मैं पूछ लूँ?
Welcome, sir के पास आ जाऊंगा। अंजलिका मैम, welcome to you.
Yeah, yeah, Kishore and Nishita, congratulations. Hugely mounted, absolutely. And then when you see this trailer itself, I just don't know what's lying ahead in the film as such. And it's wonderfully executed also. And Soundarajan, my goodness, it's mind-blowing, absolutely. And the best part is that everyone, right from Nabha, Rishabh, my goodness, you're looking mind-blowing, absolutely. And two, and two avatars you are doing, two double role. That also you are looking different and at the same time menacing, so dangerously menacing. And Virat, my goodness, the character you have portrayed, it's out of the box as such. I just want to ask one thing, Rishabh, specially. This film is getting released in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi. And have you done dubbing for Telugu also, if I'm not mistaken?
Telugu and Hindi.
And how did you find the experience working with these people from the south as such?
Sir, honestly, I think I've been blessed. My first film, I had a great experience with the production team. During Nagabandham, I have nothing to complain about. Like I said before as well, the producers backed everyone through and through. They were there to take care of everyone. They were there to look out for everyone. And there was not much of a difference in the working styles also, because at the end of the day, both were like big commercial films, and both of them were dealt with the utmost professionalism and grace, I would say.
And Kishore, one thing I want to ask you, this is your first film, such major. Are you planning for other productions also, or after seeing the response to this film, you'll start planning? How was the experience of yours working with these people as such?
I think this is my first time. I mean, obviously all of you know. So I think one of the mentions I want to do is of Vasugaru. He has been the pillar of support for us. I mean, we don't know anything in production in that sense. So he has guided, helped, told us how things work, how things do not work, where to be careful, where not to be, I think. And he has been with Abhishek for long, and they have done enough number of productions to be able to know what is right, what is wrong. So I think in that way we've been, I mean, the experience has been good. There was too much to learn in too short a time, and there was, we have spent also too much in too short a time. So both ways. So, but I think it's a good investment. I think you have gotten the right kind of output. Yeah. So.
And Abhishek is not there. We are missing him as such.
Yeah.
And he has done wonderful job. Everything is the story, screenplay, direction, everything. Wonderful. Beautifully executed. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
My question is to Rishabh sir. Rishabh sir, big fan. As he was saying already, since it is very difficult to work on a Telugu film, since you are a Hindi person and you know Hindi language mainly, so is there any dialogue which you can say in front of us for us, like anything, like in Telugu?
So this was one of the dialogues from the film. It's one of my favorite scenes from the film.
Yeah.
It goes like, మీ డాడీ నేను కలిసి గేమ్ అడితాం, నేను గెలిచ్చే వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వలి కదా.
Sir, meaning, sir.
Me and your dad are playing a game and I'm winning. Now whoever's the winner, he needs to get the prize, right? But your dad's not giving me the prize. That was the meaning of the dialogue.
Lovely. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hi, Anjulika here from the Trending Times. And क्या मैं कलयुग के सबसे बड़े राक्षस से सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rishabh. We have seen you in Fighter. You have been that gelled hair, soft kind of a villain in that. And now I see you in such a getup, like with makeup and hair. The externalization of the character is really, really very impressive. What was the internalization of the character? How did you prepare it internally for the character?
I use my own, I follow one process. I write down the complete backstory, get into the character. Like, I write down incidents about the character's life in his younger days, create a whole story. In this, I had two characters to play, so I had to do it twice. But yeah, most of it was internal. Most of the internalization happened by writing about the character, exploring the characters through history, through books and all, whatever material I could find about the character. So that is how I internalized it.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Hello. चेक
Hello.
हेलो दैट सेकंड कैरेक्टर के लिए ऋषभ को डेली दो घंटा टाइम लगेगा मेकअप के लिए
Sir,
घंटा।
3 hours.
Sometimes
Vasugaru,
3 hours.
Vasugaru, it's I think 6 hours. Both of these guys have lot of patience sitting 6 hours for the makeup, hero
Yeah.
and our villain.
Yeah, no, it was. The thing is, director sir envisioned the character in such a brilliant way that it didn't feel like too much of a task because the output was coming out to be so good.
Hi. Yeah.
Hello. Our question is for the ma'am. We loved you seeing the performance doing hook step over your life. So we also want to do it with you. Can we?
Yeah, please.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll
Shall we
do it.
come?
I'll call you. We'll just quickly finish the questions.
Sure,
I'll
sure.
come to you. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Ji.
Here,
Sir.
Vishal here.
Hi.
My question is for you. It was hardly we can see you in the trailer, 2 frames, and there is also like recently there was very big film and which was only focused on the hero, not on the heroine side, and this is the complaint from the audience point of for you also. I just want to know about your character and also question for you guys also. Can we see only Virat as the main focus, or we can see the heroine part also in the film?
The story of the film is such that every character is justified. There's really no compromise on anybody. It's like heroine को ज़्यादा screen space नहीं मिलता ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We made sure everybody is
Yeah.
getting there.
I mean, this is not a typical hero-based movie in that sense. You will see the story running, story leading it, and then everybody giving in their everything for
Because
the story.
it's
and
a huge complaint for the viewers also. Like nowadays, more focus are there on the hero, not on the heroine.
I think that trend is changing. Because the stories are
Because
taking up
recently, as a viewer also, if we talk, we have seen this complaint. Big budget film came and which was
Definitely,
focused.
See,
I can
I-
understand your
And this
complaint.
trailer also, we can
The-
hardly see her. Only 2 frames I just saw.
No, no. The director has chosen to do an action cut, so my character has not been. I have not done any action, so I'm not. In
That's
the
why I'm
frame,
asking you.
but-
Tell me something more about
but
your character. What
My
I can
character
see.
is called Parvati.
Yeah.
It's got very much to offer to the story throughout the film. It's got many, many layers. You're going to be surprised when you watch the film. And I've gotten a very beautiful, a great opportunity to portray this character in a sense as to a woman's every single role in her life, be it a daughter, be it a sister, be it a comrade, be it a companion, be it a lover, not just for for like a title, but also contributing to the story in these roles. So it's not going to be how you've been asking. It's going to be amazing because, like our producer mentioned, this movie story is the main focus, and a lot of other characters also actually come and gonna entertain you in many, many ways. Yes.
And also Virat, yeah.
Yes.
Tell me. It's
Sir actually has to say something
yes,
about
yes,
it.
sir.
Her character is a surprise in the film. There's a surprise
Okay.
in the film, so we've hid it from the trailer.
Okay, okay.
So that
That's
you
why
guys
she's not
more
shown
than
much.
just and be surprised in the theater.
I hope.
Yes.
Heroine is more than just a glamour in this film. She has a lot to deliver, which you will be seeing on the big screens on July 3rd.
And also Virat it's a fresh start. Tell me something. How difficult mythology is for you? What was your research when you got this character?
So पहले मेरे को भगवान का I mean I used to pray God but इतना ज़्यादा I mean not so much close to the God. So जब ये story सुना था तो I started I mean surveying about the character and the Naga sadhus and all. So like that I became very close to Lord Shiva and I used to go to temples and all. While playing the character also I went to the temple daily and I used to do Abhishekam for Lord Shiva. So like that I got lot of emotionally connected to Lord Shiva and I feel like while playing the character, some energy is behind me, so that in the tough situations also I played this with lot of encouragement and courage. Yeah.
To add to what Virat said, he has a great body in the trailer, as you can see. But of late, he's been going to a lot of temples. He's become a big devotee of Lord Shiva, 41 days vrat and all that. He's not been eating well, I think, which made him lose lot of weight.
एंड ऑल्सो ऋषभ, आपसे मेरा सवाल है, ये आपकी दूसरी फिल्म है, पहली फिल्म को काफ़ी प्यार मिला है, लोगों ने काफ़ी सराहा है उस कैरेक्टर को, एंड सेकेंड फिल्म की अगर आप बात करें, डबल रोल है आपका, किस तरह से आप देखते हो, क्योंकि अक्सर लोग हीरो के किरदार को काफ़ी प्यार देते हैं, विलन के किरदार को प्यार देते हैं, तो कहते हैं कि ये बड़ी फिल्म है क्योंकि विलन के किरदार को प्यार मिला है। आपकी पहली फिल्म में भी आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यार मिला है, ट्रेलर काफ़ी अमेजिंग है, आप अपने किरदार के बारे में बताइए थोड़ा सा, एंड कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है डबल किरदार फॉलो करना?
यार मेरे लिए कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। Honestly speaking, डिफिकल्ट से ज़्यादा मैं बोलूँगा it was more of an adventure for me because I was very, मैं बहुत खुश था जब ये कैरेक्टर, मेरे को 2 कैरेक्टर मिले इस फिल्म में करने के लिए, क्योंकि 2 अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स हैं। टॉकिंग अबाउट जो लव, जो प्यार मुझे मिलेगा, फाइटर के बाद भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे कहा था कि भाई वी हेटेड यू ऑन स्क्रीन, मन कर रहा था आके तेरे को मार दें, मन कर रहा था कि ये मर क्यों नहीं रहा है कैरेक्टर, ये बंदा बार बार जिंदा हो जा रहा है। अगर आप लोगों को फाइटर देख के मेरे से नफरत हुई थी, मेरे कैरेक्टर से आप लोगों को डर लगा था, तो मैं आपको गारंटी से बोल रहा हूँ इस फिल्म में इट विल बी हायर। इस फिल्म में आई होप ऐसा ना हो बट इस फिल्म में बहुत ग्रूसम कैरेक्टर्स हैं मेरे दोनों। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक कैरेक्टर थोड़ा चिल है, दूसरा कैरेक्टर थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हैवानियत वाला है, दोनों ही हैवान है एंड एक से बढ़कर एक। तो 3 जुलाई को आपको पता लगेगा एंड आई होप यू गाइज हेट माई कैरेक्टर अगेन।
All the best. We hate you, Rishabh. Okay. नहीं, ये one last question we're taking. Yeah. Come.
Everyone
Of
says,
course.
I hope you love my character, but this is something new. I hope everyone hates my character. Love this.
As a villain, that's the goal, ma'am.
Off screen, on screen, of course. Ji, आइए.
Sir, my question here, sir, to Sounder, sir, this larger than life film deserves to be come in 3D also. Is this coming in 3D version?
Yeah,
It has to be deserved.
We made the trailer in 3D, but not the trailer, the teaser. But then this, I think, if we get more time, we'll try for it. But
It has to be deserved because all the whatever the visuals we see.
So the teaser, I've seen the teaser in 3D. I think it was fantastic. We did a show in Hyderabad. The details that have come out, I mean, the cinematography and the direction, the artwork is vivid, more and more vivid. You will see all the finer details when you get it in 3D. But then I think the time is not sufficient for us to be able to do 3D right now. I
give
think
the deliverables is difficult.
Yeah.
Within
So after the main run, I think we'll see. We'll try another release in 3D if everything goes well. Let's see.
Yeah, to the producer and Vasu sir, one small question. We are not sure what happened before Pedi release of Ramcharans. There were a little bit deadlock between exhibitors and distributors happening in Telugu states relating to new revenue sharing model or something rental kind. So there was, I mean, intervention by Chiranjeevi sir, and it went. From July, there was some new model coming effective in Telugu states. There was, I think this will be your first film. What can you share that? What will be the new model kind? Can be. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's there. Rental system, percentage system. Actually, all over India, only percentage system is there. But in Telugu states, there is a rental system as well as a percentage system. Both the systems is running there. For big films, rental is more beneficial, and for smaller films, mid-level films, percentage is always a good thing. अभी क्या हो रहा है, वो एग्जीबिटर्स बड़ा पिक्चर्स साल में 1-2 पिक्चर्स आ रहा है, उसको रेंट पे लगा के पूरा शेयर लेके जा रहा बोल के फाइट कर रहा, अभी कलेक्शंस नहीं बराबर नहीं आ रहा छोटा फिल्म्स को, इसलिए वो लफड़ा था। अभी फाइनलाइज हो गया from 3rd July with, I think, with our film, entire Telugu states would be percentage system only. एग्जीबिटर्स को बेनिफिट हो जाएगा वैसे, लॉन्ग रन में वो कॉम्पेंसेट हो जाएगा।
3rd जुलाई ना सर, सबको देखने को मिलेगी ये पिक्चर, पूरा पैन इंडिया पैन वर्ल्ड वी गोइंग टू एंजॉय दिस। बस आप उसका स्ट्रेस मत लो, थिएटर देखो आप तो बस। अभी फिलहाल के लिए बिफोर वी रैप दिस अप, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, the two gorgeous ladies. Of course, you'd like to come here and be a part of this team. अपने अंदाज में मैं आप लोगों से गुजारिश करूंगा यहीं रहिएगा. Thank you. Please आइए. Yes. And वहीं से can we have the song please? Yeah.